Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and share your Instagram account with another user. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, and you will be here in the profile section. Tap on share profile and you will find three options. You can directly go ahead, screenshot this particular QR and send it to them. You can tap on this scan icon, which will let you scan the QR of the other people itself. And then you can also go ahead, tap on share profile here, and then you're gonna go ahead, you can copy the link, or you can directly go ahead, send them via this options of social apps. And you also have this option of copy link. You can copy the link and you can go ahead, paste it in messages or in any messaging apps and send it to them. That's where you can share your account with another user. You can also go ahead, download this particular QR, so the next time you want your account to be shared, you can go ahead, simply show them the QR, and then they will simply scan it to access your account automatically like that. Those are the options you can do, and hope this is it. And so this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.